Hi, I'm Elyse Rox, and I want to tell you about one of the services that I offer in the salon that I absolutely swear by. I call it the hair resurrection because I swear it brings hair back from the dead. And that's my Olaplex hair resurrection. I perform these all the time. It is a fantastic service. People cannot believe the way their hair feels after I am done performing this service for them. One of the best things about this service, besides the way my client's hair feels and the way that they react to the way their hair feels, is that this service does not require a lot of my attention except for rinsing and applying, rinsing and applying, and rinsing and applying. So this is a service that can be done with excusing myself from somebody, like, excuse me, I'll be right back. Excuse me, I'll be right back. And I can do this while I'm servicing a different client. So it's not that hard to do. It's just rinsing and applying. I charge $150 for this service in the salon. It is worth every freaking penny because people are obsessed with this service. This service can be done about twice a year, and my clients come for it each and every time. So what is it? So it is my hair resurrection. And this is what I swear by for damaged hair. If anybody comes to me with damaged hair, this is what I do for them. So first I start off with the Olaplex chelating treatment. And I start with 15 minutes of this. First I shampoo them with Olaplex 4C, and then I apply the Olaplex chelator. I usually use about, for long hair, probably about 4 or 5 pumps. For short hair to here, about 3 pumps. I also chelate anybody before any sort of color service that's new to me, any sort of blonding service, anybody that's new in my salon, I chelate them because I don't know where they've been. You know what I'm saying? So this way, I ensure that my practice is gonna be safe and they're gonna be safe and everybody's gonna be safe in my chair. You know what I'm saying? I don't need no problems. So we chelate them. This protects any sort of mineral reaction, hard water reaction, minerals in the water reaction with your lightener. You're gonna get a better coverage altogether with hair color. It's just an amazing product. And it has the Bisso Olaplex technology built in. It's amazing. Absolutely love this product, okay? By far my favorite product. And yes, I used to work for the other company that has that product, and I think that this product is way better. I am no chemist, but I love it. I'm not dissing it, but I love it. I think it's great, and hair feels amazing when it comes out. It's a different sort of technology, and it works quicker, and it's done in 15 minutes, and I'm obsessed, okay? So next, after you would rinse this off, you would shampoo with 4C again. Now we're gonna do an Olaplex standalone treatment. Now that everything's out of the way, no buildup, no crap, no gunk, no nothing left on the hair, you have an open forum to release the unicorn wee-wee into the hair, okay? What God's hair made of, okay? The Olaplex, the goodness. Most people, anybody that complains about any sort of breakage, any sort of damage that Olaplex could have caused them to their hair is because they had buildup. And if you get rid of the buildup, you will get rid of the breakage. If anybody's hair is blonde and crispy, chelate first. Anybody's hair is breaking, chelate first. If anybody's complaining of breakage, chelate first. Never go here first, go here first, okay? So then after that, you're gonna give them an Olaplex standalone treatment. You're gonna mix a ½ ounce, so that's, I think, what are these? I'm terrible. One of these, ½ ounce, you're gonna take a bottle. Let me get a bottle. So you're gonna mix a ½ ounce up to this line, so it's one of these, with 3 ounces of water, and you're gonna apply that to the hair. We usually put like a bowl and a bowl, and we're like dumping, and we let the long hair sit in the bowl. We make them lay back. You can leave that 5 to 10 minutes. We usually leave it 5, the ½ ounce of this, and then 3 ounces of water. After that, you are gonna apply a nice amount of Olaplex number 2 for 20 minutes. This is the standalone treatment. This isn't a mini treatment. This is the standalone treatment. This is the full Monty, okay? We're giving them the goods. They're gonna be at that back bar for a while, okay? So now you're gonna apply this and you're gonna let number 2 be on there for 20 minutes. You're gonna overlay it. You are not going to rinse number 1 out. You're gonna give that final dump of whatever's sitting in that bowl. You're gonna put a healthy amount of number 2. You're going to work it through the hair, and you're gonna let it sit for a minimum of 20 minutes. That is a great amount of time. You're going to rinse this out after 20 minutes. You can shampoo with Olaplex number 4. After that, you are going to apply 3 pumps for long hair, 2 pumps for short hair, 1 pump for really short hair of Olaplex 4-in-1 Moisture. Obviously, if they need more, do more, guys, okay? And you're gonna leave this for 10 minutes. Work it through, massage it through the hair. My friends, after 10 minutes, you are going to rinse them. You are gonna take them back to your chair and then be prepared to be wowed. Blow them out, cut them, do whatever you want. My friends, you are gonna be amazed. Your clients are gonna be amazed. You're gonna be like, touch your hair. Touch your hair. It's amazing, isn't it? Touch your freaking hair. It's gonna feel so good, dude. And then they're like, oh my God. It is, oh my God. I've never had my hair feel like that. Hair that's like stiff and like doesn't move, do this. The hair will move afterwards, and you will be like so amazed that like the hair actually like moves. It's crazy, my friends. Try it. Call it whatever you want. I call it the hair resurrection. You can call it whatever you want. The hair makeover. Springtime is coming. My friends, 150 bucks, easy to do. Charge 125. Just remember your cost of service for this, okay? And break it down for your cost of service and make sure that you know what you're doing. Like I said, you can work clients around this. I do not like to do this right before a color service. I'll have somebody come in the day before or 2 days before to do this service because I don't like the scalp irritation and then putting color bleach on their head. This service is amazing. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below. I'll be happy to answer them. Guys, I swear by this. I've sold hundreds of these in my salon, and you can too. This is an amazing product, and your clients will love you for it, I promise. Hair resurrection, hair can be repaired. And then they need to go home with 3, 4, and 5. Take home, they need to do the work at home, because remember, you can't go to the gym and come home and eat McDonald's and be pissed to fat. Okay? So you have to do the work at home. You can't come to the salon and have me fix it and then go home and treat your hair like crap. Okay? They have to go home with 3, 4, and 5. That is absolute. They have to. So that's another retail sale for you. Okay, my friends? If you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll see you later. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.